Most chainsaw blades have a line right there across the tooth that's at an angle. That's the angle you want to sharpen a tooth. I always sharpen by hand, and I make even strokes. So 3 of them. Well, I don't want to go any more than 3 because it won't be necessary. And you just wear the chain out all the more. But you follow that angle on the tooth. No, I do every other tooth right now too. Chain is a little stiff from being outside. It was in the woodshed. It's cold. Another thing you want to check is the raker. This here is a raker. The way you do that, you just lay the file across, and there's still a gap in between. If the raker's sticking up higher than the tooth, it won't cut good either. And it's getting close. Probably the next time I sharpen now, I'll have to cut the rakers down with a flat file. Just a little tiny bit. You don't have to cut much. If you cut too much, it'll grab too hard. You just equal strokes on the chain. Just if you hit a rock or anything hard, hunk of iron or whatever, you're gonna have to sharpen more. Hopefully too many teeth won't be hit. Then the file, if you can see it, loads up with filings. I just tap it once in a while and get the filings cleared out of it. You can see them right there. But it's quite simple, just straight across and follow that line. And you want the pressure to be back, not down. You want it evenly across and put your pressure back. If you push it down, you'll make the gullet, what they call there, too deep, and you'll hit the length of the chain and shorten the life of the chain too. There. Sharpen.